Cauliflower. Let's attack this. Okay, first you could remove all these leaves right here. You can cook a cauliflower whole like this, just put it in boiling water or inside the steamer. So this will be perfect as is. Now let's go figure out how to remove this core. We're gonna take our large chef knife. We're gonna go in a diagonal motion to remove it like a cone, all right? I want you to be careful when you're doing that. The knife should never be pointing towards you. It should always be pointing down, and when you turn the cauliflower, still remain pointing down, never towards yourself. Now that we expose all the florets, we could go in with our paring knife and just start removing them. It just snapped right off, but you could also come here and do the same thing we did with the broccoli, which is just use the tip of your paring knife and just go down. And you have yourself all these florets. If something is big, just go with your paring knife straight in the middle and cut it. You could still use the stems, you just have to cook it on a different time. Let's go to a second cut, a very popular thing called as a steak. You're just gonna go straight in the middle. This is best performed with the core on, so you wouldn't have to remove the core. Leave it on and just go straight down here with a thick steak. If you want to rice the cauliflower, just remove all the florets and put them in a blender. A different way to do it is you taking your knife and you just going against the cauliflower and you create very small couscous-like kernels.